Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. Please share the links to my videos on your social media sites and please subscribe. And please click the bell to receive notifications. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a long chain flower. So let's get started. To make this easy flower, I'm going to start with chain 50. You can start with any chain length that you like. The longer the chain, the larger the flower. So I'm going to go ahead and chain 50. Okay, so I have my chain 50. In the second stitch from the hook, right here, I'm going to single crochet. In the next stitch, I'm going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And that's all in the same stitch. In the next stitch, single crochet. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. That, single crochet. I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way across my foundation chain. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3, and a single crochet. Like that. And I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way across the chain. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've done that all down the chain, and I fastened off with a long yarn end and I threaded it into a yarn needle. Now I'm going to start at this end and I'm going to just start curling it, and I'm just going to shape this into a flower like that. Now I'm just going to flip it over. Now you can see the different layers around here. And I'm just going to take my needle and I'm going to sew all the way around, attaching all the layers together. Weave this yarn end into the finished work as well, like that. And there you have it, a long chain flower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.